Ladies and gentlemen, it is about damn time. It's going to go down in this ring. And without any further ado, making his way to the ring to mark his pro debut, first from Team Pavan, representing Nagaland, Nitso, Checkmate Angami!
It's about time indeed as we introduce one of Team Pavan Man's own, Nitso Angami, making his way from Nagaland, Dimapur in Nagaland. Now this man is a special fighter. Not only did he push his career forward by spending nights and days in the gym, he lived in the gym for a long time. He also comes from a proud warrior clan, the Nagas. They were known as a warrior class. And moving forward, he's looking to make his mark in the sport of MMA. Final instructions, final checks from the commission as at the Vaseline prep point, making sure that everything, all the things are in place, the cup check, the mouth guard, checking of the gloves, all these things are important, and the responsibility of the commission, which is led by MMA One Federation. This is going to be a great lightweight contest between Team Pavan Man and Team Bharat Kandhare. Sohail Khan is his opponent who's going to be coming forward. But coming back to Angami Nitso, he's got such a diverse background. He's an incredible striker. Look at the way the guy's built. He looks like he's been cut out of stone. He looks like a character out of a video game. But don't be fooled by those muscles. They are functional. He's carrying a lot of muscle mass on him right now, and he's packing a lot of power. We're going to find out what strategy he employs against his opponent here tonight.
And to take on Nitso, making his way to the ring from Team Bharat, representing Mumbai, the Indian Eagle, Sohail Khan!
Bring up the heat!
And the crowd erupts for one of Mumbai's own, Sohail Khan, making his way from Mumbai in the city of Amchi, Mumbai, representing, of course, Mumbai's boy himself, Mumbai's Mulga, Bharat Kandhare. He's got a lot of weight on his shoulders because he's got a lot to prove here. This man has taken his game from the streets to the cage.
And now introducing first from the blue corner, standing at 178 centimeters, weighing in 69.45 kilograms, making his pro MMA debut, hailing from Nagaland, Nitso Angami. Introducing the fighter from the red corner, standing tall at 176 centimeters, weighing 69.35 kilograms, holding a mixed martial arts record of 2 wins and 0 loss, representing Team Bharat, hailing from Mumbai, Sohail Khan. Over to the referee. Let the fight begin.
Fighter. Fighter. Follow my instructions. When I say fight, fight. When I say stop, stop. Have you clean fight, touch gloves, go back to your corner. Okay. Judge 1. Judge 2. Judge 3. Timekeeper. Fighter ready? Fighter ready? Fight!
time staying systematic. Leg kick. Right under the kneecap. Those are some of the hardest and, ladies and gentlemen, the leg kicks that you do here are the ones that do the most damage. Real Khan cannot let himself back into the corner here right now because Nandani is tapping him with perfect leg. So it cannot get a stinging jab which he needs to establish.
Elbow de वासले elbow de bro knee de foot stump elbow de वासले right elbow kick वासले सर पीछे लेके shoulder से push कर सेट नहीं उधर नहीं रहना है घूम उधर नहीं रहना है bro उधर नहीं रहना उसको रिवर्स कर पुश करते रहे मेरे साइड पुश कर उसको शोल्डर मेरे साइड पुश कर उसका शोल्डर नाइस चल नहीं वहां से पंच छोड़ना एल्बो सेट कर और छूट जा ब्रो नाइस वो एल्बो देना है उधर तेरा रिस्ट उसके लेग पे पुश कर तेरा रिस्ट उसके लेग पे रख और पुश कर पीछे तेरा थोड़ा जैब से दूर रख लो किक छोड़ नाइस पीछे रख जैब नाइस ब्लॉक कर नाइस जैब से दूर रख राइट कर नाइस और एंटर डाउन फिर से और एंड से नाइस निकल मेरे साइड निकल आ रहा है और एंड हुक नाइस गुड लो किक सेट कर नाइस जगह पे मत रहे हाथ ऊपर रख नाइस जगह पे मत खड़े रे उसके बाद और एंड था वेरी गुड सही है गुड इधर निकल जगह पे मत खड़े वहां पे इसमें जा वहां पे नहीं खड़े रहे खड़े मत रहे वहां पे इधर से निकल साइड से पीछे मत खड़े रहे बीच में आ लेके जा उधर खाना नहीं है तू तेरा गेम खेल ओके गुड जैब से दूर रख नाइस जैब से दूर रख गुड ओवर हैंड कनेक्ट करना है ओवर हैंड जैब ओवर हैंड नाइस गुड ब्लॉकिंग और ब्लॉक के बाद तेरे को काउंटर देना है नाइस हाथ ऊपर रख ब्लॉक कर हाथ ऊपर रख इस साइड निकल राइट साइड निकल या फिर लेफ्ट साइड निकल
स्टॉप
उसकी आई कांटेक्ट नहीं है.
Stop.
उसकी आई कांटेक्ट नहीं है. उसका आई कांटेक्ट पूरा.
उसका आई कांटेक्ट मगर वो अगर थोड़ा सी एग्रेशन खेलेगा ना
ये पीछे हट
पीछे
जाएगा.
हट जाएगा.
Camera. Back. Judge 1.
3 राउंड है ना.
Judge 2.
5 मिनट के 3.
Judge 3. Timekeeper. Fighter ready. Fighter ready. Point.
इसका एग्रेशन है मगर ये मार नहीं पा रहा. उसका एग्रेशन है मगर वो अटैक नहीं कर पा रहा.
Second round. Angami again stepping forward with an aggressive pressure. Beautiful body kick. Here there's one in the stands. And Sohail Khan eats all those shots like a champ. But the body work will pay dividends as this fight goes longer. Sohail Khan trying to land that one hard shot, which is going to get his opponent to back up. But look at him. Spinning back kick. Just missed by the edge. Sohail Khan. Shoots in for that takedown. Unsuccessful, but man, oh man, you could see that shot landed in front of him. Sohail Khan is making a fundamental mistake. He's allowing himself to get backed up against Vince. He's allowing himself to get chewed up by those strikes because Angami can do this all night. Standing at range, he's landing those kicks at will. His leg kicks are open, the body kicks are open, but he's looking for that big shot. Switches stances for a second there. That's a huge overhand right.
Stop. Relax.
Referee's paused
Relax.
the action for a second there. He's called
Cutsman,
time for a second.
clean
I
karna.
think he lost his
Cleaner.
mouthpiece.
Keep the clean.
Oh, wait.
Time
We
up.
need to see what happened there. I think that was a low blow.
Clean karna.
Yes,
Cut
I think
man.
that's a low blow. So, according to the commission rules,
Check.
he should get a few minutes to recover. But that also allows both these men to catch their breath. Both men throwing heavy leather. What a great 1.5 rounds they've had so far. They've got their teams fired up. And now they're checking. Now, I don't know what exactly is going on here because I don't understand if the round's over, the corner's over. I'm not quite sure what's happening here because
Leader, sir.
is it a stop in the
Leader,
fight?
leader
Is it
चाहिए.
a
Housekeeping,
is it the end of the fight? I'm not quite sure what's happening. And the corner's looking around. There's a bit of confusion here right now because I don't know what is happening. Is his opponent because right now the referee hasn't called up for a timeout. He hasn't said anything, and it's at this point it looks like he's been hurt by one of Angami's shots,
Fast.
and we don't quite know what's going on because right now it looks like the fight's over because
नहीं,
it's
ऐसे
not a
मार दो, पानी नहीं
timeout.
मारना है,
It's crossed
sleep
the 1
होगा.
minute mark. We don't know what exactly is going on. There's no timeout being called by the referees.
तो पसीना भी पोंछ दो और up. Hurry up. Come. Up. One stand up. Stand
I
up.
don't know what is happening at this
Out.
point in time.
Oh, good back. Corner. Fighter.
But apparently the
Fight
action
on.
is going to
Fight.
restart here. Sohail Khan comes back, touch of gloves between both fighters. We don't know quite what happened there for a moment. But the time commences. We're still in round number 2. Angami in the green trunks representing Team Pavan Man. And Sohail Khan in the purple trunks representing Team Bharat Kandare. And you can see after that stoppage there, he's very, very tentative as to what's happening. Inside leg kick, and again,
Stop.
that was a Big slip. I
Up,
think that was a
up.
slip from McCauley.
Stop. Slip. Up. Fighter. Fight.
Here we go. Action commences. Moving forward. Angami again looking to land those critical strikes to the body which seem to have hurt Sohail Khan before. Immediately looking to come over the top with that right hand. Sohail Khan very, very tentative. He's standing. He cannot stand in one place because right now he is just a target here. He's getting chewed up by Angami. Sohail Khan needs to stick and move. He needs to get out of that corner, get off the fence and start mounting some offense of his own. Because right now Angami is staring him down. He's waiting for his moment and waiting for his moment to strike. Good outside leg kick by Sohail Khan, but a big leg kick by Angami. See, that's the difference in the power. When Angami lands, you can see Sohail buckle. Sohail lands, Angami is taking it like a champ. Both these men incredibly conditioned to be able to take this kind of punishment. Another outside leg kick and he's landing them perfectly. You can see a big welt forming on the left leg of Sohail Khan. Nice inside leg kick to the calf. Both men trading leg kicks at this point. Another leg kick on the outside. He's looking, I think I figured out Angami's strategy. He's going to look to cripple his movement and that makes him an even more, stable target. Just missed with that overhand right. So close every time, he's getting closer and closer to those shots. But Sohail Khan needs to figure out a way to get out of that pocket. He needs to get out, circle away from the power of Angami. A shot to the body there. Oh, wow! That grazed his chin. Oh my God, that was so close. He's trying to time that right outside leg kick. Beautiful stinging jab by Angami. Sohail Khan right now is doing the worst possible thing. He's backing up into his own corner. 10 seconds out for the end of round number 2. But right now, it's all Angami.
Corner.
क्या है दे रहा है उधर उसको मारा लेकिन ये देख के रोक रहा है वो देख के
आओ फटाफट
लेफ्ट में फॉलो करना चाहिए सीधा डाउन है वो
सूखा मारो गीला मत मारो गीला मारोगे स्लिप होगा
नॉकआउट गलती से पंच मिनट पड़ गया तो
सोहेल इज नॉट
अटैक क्यों नहीं कर रहा
उस एरिया में थोड़ा क्लीन करो वहां पे
मारेगा कब
क्या ना ऐसे ऐसे लड़ रहा है ऐसे लड़ रहा
ये वाली
है
किक
तो
पैर
उसको
में
हाथ निकाल रहा है लेकिन आंख नहीं
दो
मिला
बार उसको नॉकआउट होता
आंख नहीं मिला उसको डिस्टेंस ही नहीं मालूम
सोहेल का मेरे को बहुत अच्छा स्किल लगा मगर वो
सोहेल में एनर्जी ज्यादा
है
लेकिन वो
डर रहा है पता नहीं उसके अंदर से डर आ रहा है डर क्यों आ रहा है
Nitsu. Bam, follow.
सोहेल
Follow punch. Sohail more power.
पहुंचना क्लीनर
There we go, third and final round. And you can tell from the body language between both these men.
क्लीनर कहां पे
Angami, certainly the fresher of
Clean
the
up.
two fighters. And Sohail Khan, a little worse for wear. He's taken some heavy shots in the last 2
एक
rounds.
जन वहां जाओ एक जन यहां जाओ
But he is in such great shape. You have to be in great shape and great condition to be able to take that kind of punishment. Sohail
Yes,
Khan,
sir.
though, he's not a quitter. He's there to represent his
चलवाया
team
था लेकिन फिर कैसा पानी पिलाया
and a chance to have victory in this first match.
आउट
Here we go, round number 3. Angami
Judge.
versus Khan
जज
in the lightweight
टाइम ऑफ
division.
फाइटर रेडी फाइट
Here we go. Touch of gloves by both men, a sign of respect as we get underway. Again, Angami, the aggressor, takes the center of the ring and looking to land those brutal leg kicks that he's been landing all night long. In the first round, again, beautiful inside leg kick on cue. And Sohail Khan is still doing the same thing. In the first round, he had a lot of movement. He stayed away from Angami's power, but right now he is just a sitting duck. Angami is literally, this is shooting practice for him. Oh, look at this. There we go. Touch of gloves by both men, a sign of respect as we get underway. Again, Angami, the aggressor, takes the center of the ring and looking to land those brutal leg kicks that he's been landing all night long. In the first round, again, beautiful inside leg kick on cue. And Sohail Khan is still doing the same thing. In the first round, he had a lot of movement. He stayed away from Angami's power, but right now he is just a sitting duck. Angami is literally, this is shooting practice for him. Oh, look at this. Beautiful takedown attempt there. Shot in perfectly for that double, but Angami saw it coming. Defended it beautifully. And right now you can see Angami egging him on, saying, come on, try and hit me. But Sohail Khan has got to be smart. Oh man, that front leg tomorrow is going to be black and blue because it's taken a pounding. And you can see now Angami checking those leg kicks from Sohail Khan. Again that outside leg kick and Sohail Khan doing nothing to defend it. He's not checking that outside leg kick. And now you can see it's affecting his mobility. He can't pivot off that left leg. And there you go, that's the last kick. That hurt him. He shot in immediately. His shot, when you get damaged, when you damage your lead leg, you can't pivot off for power. So you can't reach in. You cannot go low enough to get in for that takedown. There's a lot of things that you can't do. The bum leg, you can't put the pressure, you can't put the weight down on that front leg. Angami again with that leg kick. Over and over again. Trying to seal the deep with that 1-2. Again checks that kick from Sohail Khan. Angami constantly switching stances, changing his method of attack, changing his angle of attack. Punches and kicks come to you from different angles as you switch stances. Nice, beautiful stinging jab by Angami. He's got him backed up. This has been the story of the last 2 rounds. Angami just picking him apart, slowly, methodically breaking down that leg. Jab after jab after jab. And Sohail Khan trying his best to get out of that corner. But right now he looks like he's out of options. Nice outside leg kick by Sohail Khan. Good defense by Angami. He's managed to stuff last 2 of Sohail's takedowns. Another leg kick, stifling leg kick, which is seriously affected the mobility of Sohail Khan. Sohail, though, a gamer, trying to come back with a combination, but he just can't put weight on that leg. You can see he switched stances right now. And Angami looking for that big power shot, that big 1-2 that sends his opponent to the mat. Another inside leg kick. Good movement. Trying to egg Sohail Khan on. There we go. Trying to get him to come in. And that was a sloppy shot. And you can see that Angami wants none of it. He's not having any of it. He shrugged it off so comfortably. And it's all the damage that's being done by those leg kicks. Over and over again, Angami landed those leg shots. You can see his corner yelling instructions that Angami is saying, why are you letting him go? Stay on him, put the pressure on. He's hurt already. He's tired already. Oh, beautiful shot to the body, followed up by a right hand. And you can see a shot of desperation by Sohail Khan. Sohail, the amount of damage he's taken, he's breathing out of his mouth now. When a fighter breathes out of his mouth, it's an indication of him being gassed. His hands are low. He needs to be careful here because when your mouth is open is the time where somebody, very easy to get knocked out. And the crowd is after both these 2 warriors. They put everything on the line to put on a show here. And that's what the Kumite 1 Warrior Hunt is all about. To find that true champion and offer him the contract of a lifetime. A lot of fan support for Sohail Khan here. And he's going to need it if he needs to rally back some sort of offense. Angami, patient, staying patient here and happy to pick his shots. He's looking to headhunt at this point. He's abandoned those leg kicks, which did all the damage. But I think a couple of well-placed leg kicks right now could end this fight. Nice 1-2 again, trying to corner his opponent. Outside leg kick. And you can just see Sohail Khan is exhausted. There's no zip and pep behind those shots. He's just trying to bait it. Oh, beautiful spinning back kick. You can see immediately Sohail Khan, his right hand dropped, trying to protect his liver. He's hurt by that leg kick and you can see him wincing, but what a warrior and what a fight we had, ladies and gentlemen. Incredible action in this amazing, amazing lightweight division. Wow! Angami versus Sohail Khan. What a fight. The crowd is on their feet and we're going to find out who's going to be the winner as this fight goes to the judges' scorecard.
That got really fast. For everybody who's watching there, it was unreal. I'm directly going to go to Anna. What is your reaction after seeing this first fight?
I think brilliant. Both the fighters fought well, great skills. But somewhere down the line, I felt Sohail was missing eye contact. Sohail was missing eye contact, though he did have a lot of energy. There was a lot of punching that he did without actually looking at his opponent. And when you don't look at your opponent, you don't know the distance that carries. So you lose a lot of your energy hitting in mid-air. Netso को मैंने देखा तो नेसो ने अपना पूरा स्किल जो है उसका इस्तेमाल किया. Kicks, sweeps, punches. मैं चाहता कि नेट्सो फॉलो अप अगर करता किक के साथ साथ जब थाइस पे या रेनर थाई पे या स्वीप करने की कोशिश की उसके लेफ्ट के साथ फॉलो करता तो द रिजल्ट वुड हैव बीन प्रॉब्ली फास्टर फॉर हिम. लेकिन सोहेल ने अपनी स्किल का इस्तेमाल नहीं किया, कहीं ना कहीं रुके रहे, कंफ्यूज था कि मैं ग्रैब करूं क्या करूं. बट ब्रिलियंट, बोथ ऑफ देम आर आउटस्टैंडिंग. दोनों ने 3 राउंड पूरे लड़े, वेरी गुड. लेकिन आई थिंक यहाँ एडवांटेज नेट्सो वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ इसलिए क्योंकि जिस एटमॉस्फेयर से, जिस माहौल में वो ट्रेनिंग करता है, विच इज नेचर, आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं स्टैमिना में ही आउटलास्टेड द अपोनेंट. दैट्स माई विजन एंड माई व्यू ऑफ द एंटायर फाइट. बट आई थिंक कभी कभी जो बोलते हैं ना हाई आल्टीट्यूड हो या इंटीरियर्स में जब आप ट्रेन करते हो आपके पास फैसिलिटीज़ नहीं होती है, तकलीफ़ें ज़्यादा होती है. जब तकलीफ़ें ज़्यादा होती है तब आप जब रिंग में आते हो तो वो आपका एडवांटेज बन जाता है. एंड दैट इज़ व्हाई आई फील इट्स अ ह्यूज एडवांटेज फॉर हिम. ग्रेट जॉब बोथ द कोचेस, both the fighters, brilliant.
Yeah, conditioning I think outlasted. That's fantastic. Mr. Budhwani, आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे?
वेरी गुड फाइट, बहुत अच्छा लड़े दोनों मिलके. बट नित्सु बहुत अच्छा आपने किए. आप शुरुआत से अटैकिंग थे और आपने आपका ओरिजिनल जो पैशन था, ओरिजिनल जो फाइट था वो आपने दिखाया. ओरिजिनल नित्सु जो था ट्राइबल वाला वो दिखाया. सोहेल आप बहुत शुरुआत में बहुत अच्छा खेल रहे थे, बट पता नहीं आप क्यों डर गए. आपको किस चीज़ का डर था? आप अटैक भी कर रहे थे, डिफेंड भी कर रहे थे, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. और आपका आई कांटेक्ट नित्सु के साथ नहीं था. बट यू हैड ए वेरी गुड चांस टू, आपने बहुत सारे चांस छोड़ दिए जिसमें आपको इसको नित्सु को गिरा सकते थे, आप ग्राउंड गेम में कर सकते थे, बट आप डर गए किस चीज़ से. बट एनीवेज बहुत अच्छा आपने लड़ा सोहेल. नित्सु आपने भी बहुत अच्छा किया. डोंट वरी, नेक्स्ट टाइम डरना नहीं है. डर गया वो बोले हार गया मर गया, डरना नहीं है इसमें. वेरी गुड गेम गाइस, वेरी गुड.
It's time to announce the winner, ladies and gentlemen. By unanimous decision, the Satsport.com winner is from the blue corner, Nikhil Checkmate Angami.